Did you know there are 320 active monthly users on Pinterest? And what if I told you in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a piece of this pie to make $200 per day with Pinterest. Now, the best part about this method is you don't need a blog to start, you don't need any tech skills, or you don't need any price barriers to start with this method. And in fact, you can start this today to make your first dollar online. And if you watch this entire video until the very end, I'm going to share with you a free bonus gift that's going to help you make money online. But before I show you exactly how to make money with Pinterest without a blog, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video for more content like this in the near future. And let's get started right now in today's video. So in this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide how to make money online with Pinterest without a blog. So step number one is simply you want to go to Pinterest.com and you want to simply create your account. Now I already have an account with Pinterest, and to create an account, you simply want to go right here to sign up and create your free account. And then from here, what you're going to have to do is that you're simply going to have to enter your email address, or you want to continue with Facebook. If you have a Facebook account, you can create your Facebook account and sign up with them. Or if you have a Google account, you can sign up with Google and create your account from there as well. I'm going to show you 3 different categories where you can potentially make money online with this method to be able to make money. So the first industry I'm going to show you is an industry called like weight loss. Anything that had to do with health. So maybe some posts you can post something like this: 5 best move for weight loss fast, or like 5 tips that actually work, or like 10 new non-track foods that you can use to lose some weight. So you want to give value to your potential prospect, because once you give value to them, they most likely are going to buy from you. So I'm gonna just show you an example of basically 2 types of posts you can do. One is simply a post like this where it's a non-video, or one that's a video that's on Pinterest. Now Pinterest has been updated. Before you couldn't do videos on Pinterest, but now they're trying to compete with TikTok and have videos online. So you have 2 different options that you can choose from. The first example I want to give you is I'm going to choose this right here, a non-video one, which is 100 new non-track foods. And if I click this right here, it's going to take me to the actual website where they collect the emails just like this right here. Not lose weight with our most hypocritical approach ever. Once you enter your email address, you're going to click go, and it's going to take you to their offers that they're going to have for you, so for you to potentially buy. So this is what we're going to do without a blog. What we're going to do is set up a one-page website, and we're going to collect people's email addresses so we can sell to them in the back end of our business, so we can promote affiliate products to make money online. Now this whole process is called affiliate marketing, where we simply grab a product from affiliate market program or affiliate market network, and we're simply promote it on a one-page website to promote, to be able to make money. And so for example, as another example right here, you're going to take their quiz where you're going to enter their email list so you can potentially buy their products in the back end of their business. So this is one example in the weight loss industry to be able to make money. So here's a great example of a video one you can do for the exact same method without a blog. So this one right here is showing you how to lose weight without exercise. And as you see right here, they have their website link, so you can click on and go to their page where they're going to capture the email to be able to make money. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So make sure you just keep watching. So as you see right here, she's showing you how to lose weight without exercise, and as you see, she's providing value, which types of food that's going to help you lose weight without exercising, and she's telling you like healthy lunches or healthy snacks or so on and so forth. So once the video is done and you're interested in what she's providing in this video, what she's going to do is send you to this link right here, weddingnutrition.com, where this is her actual website where she's capturing leads for this method to be able to make money online. And as you see at the top of the screen, get my free 1-week meal plan right here. And what she's going to do is that she's going to capture your email and your name probably, and send you to different offers in the back end of her business, so she can potentially make money in the weight loss industry to be able to make money. So this is an example of basically what you would do in the weight loss industry to be able to make money. Now I'm gonna show you 2 different examples in other niches as well, so make sure you keep watching as well. So the next niche I want to show you is an industry called relationship, and we can sum this down to like how to get a girlfriend, or how to get an ex back, or marriage, or anything that's had to do with relationship, so you can potentially make money on Pinterest without a blog. So here's some examples of some pins you can create, like 10 reasons that you won't get a girlfriend in 2021 or 2022, or how to get a girlfriend if you're an introvert or a shy guy, or like how to get a girlfriend faster, or so on and so forth. So what you would do is simply create a pin like this, and you're gonna create a one-page website where you're gonna have a link to your website or your page or your sales funnel, so you can capture people's emails and potentially make money in a relationship niche. And I'm showing you an example right now. So what I'll do is go to this one right here, and they're gonna give you a brief description of what they're talking about, why girls haven't been locked in down, and how you can fix it. And they're gonna give you all the details and how you can read it right here. And then once you're interested in this pin, what you can do is go to their website where they're going to capture leads. So this is an example of what I'm talking about, how to do this without a blog. So I see here they have a one-page website where all they do is capture your email right here. Join our news for exclusive dating tips and advice. You're going to enter your email address right here, and once you click submit, you're going to get daily tips and daily advice for dating and so on and so forth. And every once in a while they might pitch you and sell you on some dating advice what you might buy because you're interested in that type of stuff, and you might buy for them and later on in the future. Here's another example. For a limited time, you get a guide to create a massive attraction by text absolutely free, and you enter your first name, your last name, and again they capture your email again on this website, and you click here to learn how to text her now, and they're going to give you that guide for free to learn how to do this. So this is something you would do as well in this type of category to be able to make money. So the last niche I want to show you for this method to be able to make money online is an industry called make money online, just simple like that. So for this industry, what you would do is simply have a pin post just like this, maybe like ways to make extra money if you're a student, or like how to make money on Instagram with ClickBank, or like maybe 10 newbie friendly ways to make money online in general. So what you can do is simply have posts like this, maybe without a video, or maybe you can have a TikTok video just like this, maybe 5 easy ways to make money free online with Swagbucks, or maybe this video right here, they're talking about how to make money with acx.com or any other website online that you can think of. And you'll simply create a pin and you'll send it to your one-page website, and you're gonna capture the lead to make money online with Pinterest without a blog. So here's a great example in this industry to be able to make money. So in this video, he's talking about how to make 200 to 400 just by talking on acx.com, and he's going to show you all the details how that works. And then once he's done, he's going to have a call to action to his website for you to be able to make extra money online, maybe with affiliate marketing or any other business model he's using. And so what you're gonna do is click this right here, and it's gonna take you right here where he's giving you a free ebook to show you how you can set up your own successful online side hustle business in just 7 steps today. And he's gonna show you all the benefits what he's giving in the book. And I see right here, he's gonna collect the lead, and you click this right ebook right here where you're gonna have to enter your first name, your last name maybe, or your email address right here, and you're gonna click here to start your side hustle business today right here. And what you're gonna do is do the same thing, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this on this other platform. So make sure you keep watching, because I'm going to show you step by step how to create your one-page website in this video right here. And if you're finding value out of this video so far, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video for more content like this in the nearby future. So what you're gonna do now is that you're gonna create your own pin on Pinterest so you can make some money online with this method, whether it's in the relationship niche, or whether it's in the make money online niche, or whether it's in the health niche. So either one of those niches I show you previously in this video, you're going to create a pin post. Now to do this, you want to go to a website called Canva, and they have a free version and you got a pay version. For this particular method, you don't need a paid version to do this. What you have to do is create a free account on this platform, and to do so, all you got to do is go to an icon right here, and it'll show you to create your free account. And to do that, what you do is type in the search bar right here. You want to type in Pinterest pin. So type in Pinterest pin, and you're going to have 2 options you can choose from, whether it's this one or this one. It doesn't matter which one, you can choose either one to create a Pinterest pin. And once you click that, you're gonna have 2 different options you can choose from. You can create a blank Pinterest pin from scratch, or you can have done for you templates that all you gotta do is customize it to your liking, from different colors, different shapes, and different sizes and stuff. We can choose from right here from pro version or free version on this website to be able to make money online on Pinterest without a blog. And once you have a Pinterest post just like this one, where I have all ready to go. So my Pinterest goes like this: make $891 per day from using your laptop, and have a picture of a laptop. And all you gotta do is go here to learn how to do this method to be able to make money online. So what I'm gonna do from here is that I'm gonna simply just publish the Pinterest, and I'm gonna simply publish there, and I'm gonna start getting traffic to my one-page website. Now you might be wondering, how do I create a one-page website to capture people leads into my business so I can make money online with affiliate marketing without a blog? So to do this, what you would do is you simply want to go to a website called Builderall. Now Builderall is a platform where it's all-in-one platform where you can create different like sales funnels or like email responders and stuff like that. Well, that's in another different types of video I can make for you. But if you want an in-depth tutorial about all of that, how to use Builderall and sales funnels and all stuff like that, make sure you comment down below Builderall, and I will make an in-depth tutorial for you to learn how to use Builderall and stuff like that. But in this video, I'm going to show you an example of one-page website, what it should look like, and all the details for this. So my one-page website goes like this. Copy this weird but proven system that generates $891 per day, and you can download in seconds from your laptop. And what I'm doing for here on my sales funnel on my one page website is that I'm going to capture the first name and the email just right here, and I'm going to have a call to action. Yes, let me see it now. And once I capture the email page, I'm going to send them to my bridge page where they can simply see the video I have for them installed to use this system to be able to make money. And I'm going to send them to my offer to be able to make money. Now, this is a bonus tip I want to give you once you have this all set up for yourself and ready to go. Now, once you capture people emails, this is what you want to potentially do in the back end of your business. Once you got them on your email list, what you want to do is have two options you can do. You can send them different offers besides the one you have sent them on your one page website, or you can send them different like content or maybe like different pin posts as well from Pinterest, so you can give to them and provide value for them to learn how to like lose weight or like how to make extra money online, or how to get relationship tips to them in the relationship niche. So that's something you want to do. Now, since you stay to the end of this video, I want to give you my free gift that I want to give you for you to help you make money online. So the free gift I want to give you is my personal free ebook that's going to help you make money online, particularly with affiliate marketing on your online journey, because I know how it is as a new affiliate online to struggle and don't know where to go. So this is where I'm going to give you all the ins and outs about affiliate marketing from step by step, from A to Z, to teach you about affiliate marketing as a beginner. So all you gotta do is click the second link in my description, and I will give you all the details in the free ebook to learn about affiliate marketing in that ebook. Do you want more content just like this? If so, make sure you check out these two videos on screen, because once you check out these two videos on screen, I'm also going to show you more ways of how you can start making money online from the comfort of your own home. And it's your boy Darius, and I'm checking out. And always remember, be the boss, don't get boss.